Mud lazim, kalimi, mud lazim, it means is the absolutely or necessary extension. And that happens is when you have a mud letter, which is alif, ya, or waw, and after it is a letter with sukoon that is there in both circumstances, whether you stop or whether you continue. That's what mud lazim is, and it means it's absolutely necessary. That's what it refers to, the absolute mud or the necessary mud that's there. And it's extended 6 harakat. And what happens with mud lazim, there's 2 places where they are, in words and in letters. And in words, they're within one word where you have a mud letter and then a letter that's sukoon that's always there, or shadda that's always there. And they call that mud lazim al-kalimi. And like, for example, if you look over here at the example, dhakirin. Dhakirina, you have a alif there, which is mud letter, and the next letter is with the shadda that has the sukoon that's always there. So you would say the dhakirina, 6 beats. And another example is Surah Fatiha, waladallin. So you have the dad and the alif, which is a mud letter, and the lam, which is after it, which is sukoon that's always there. So then you would do it 6 harakat on waladallin. Over there you have it 6 harakat. And other examples, let me see it over here. You have, for example, da-ba. You have alif, which is a mud letter, and ba, which is a sukoon that's always there, so you have to extend it 6. Da-ba. And keep in mind that's within the same word. It's not like between 2 words, like over here, la, and there's a sukoon. You don't do that. You have qasr, where you shorten it. You don't pronounce the alif. That's the thing to bear in mind. And the other thing to bear in mind, the shadda that's after it, the lam that's after it with the shadda, dallin, you make that 6 harakat, and the lam, it's always has a sukoon on it. And the other thing is, there's another rule called nabr, where you emphasize the pronunciation of the lam, and that's always the case with the mud lazim al-kalimi. You have to say the lam a little bit longer so it doesn't sound like it's separated. Say waladallin, say it louder in the letter that's after it, because all the places they have the shadda on it, and that's called mud lazim al-kalimi. And Allah knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.